Hi guys, thank you so much for being here today. It's just a quick one today to show you a video that I really loved until I lost half of it. It's one of those ones where I put so much effort and love into it, and then I ended up deleting, or I've got so many videos on my gig sticks and things that basically I mislaid it. And it's one of those ones I can hardly remember how I did. But thinking back on it, what I loved about it the most was it was a pour of light and dark on the same page, and then I tilted it, and then I started to use a swiping method and put some more dark on top. And it's at that point that I started to show the video. So I'll talk you through the video and I hope you enjoy it. And I'm definitely going to do another one soon. So let me know what you think and whether you think it takes too much away from the video. So thank you so much for being here today and happy painting. Let's create. So here are the colours that I used. Look at this metallic lime, Amsterdam white, and mulberry, and that was ultramarine blue and metallic pink. This is phthalo blue, and I used a little bit of oxide black. That bit there is my favourite part and almost the reason for this video. It was one of those paintings that I just absolutely loved as it came together. It's got a real complexity to it, and I almost couldn't remember how I did it. So I'm going to show you the palette knife part of it, which is the second part of the video. I'll try and explain how I got the base. So the base coat was a mixture of pouring 2 cups of the lighter colour paints, so pink, white and lime and blue, and then I tilted the canvas. And you know how when you tilt the canvas you end up with a random abstract painting. I then poured on top a tiny bit of the oxide black and half a canvas worth of the phthalo blue. And then I started to swipe, and this is what happened. So as I began to swipe, and this is one of the things I love about it, and I almost have to do it, not on every painting, but I'd have to do it so much, is that when you touch the painting with a palette knife or with any swipe tool, you pick up the colours from underneath and you never know what you're going to get. So there's always a surprise. So this is exactly what happened here. And as I worked with a palette knife through the painting, I was picking up different colours and having different effects as I went along. I know I'm a bit obsessed with Avatar at the moment. I just love that movie, or set of movies. It's just something about the colours and the energy of the movie. You just think about how there's light and dark, and that's my theme in life, I think, other than nature, light and dark in everything, and how when something looks really dark, you can bring it to life with some bright colours or some light in some way. And look at the contrast between that dark and light. That's the bit I love the most. It's almost like, well, it's rushing movement towards the light. Anyway, I'd love to know what you think, and I just so appreciate you being here. Someone said to me yesterday, I'd love to be part of the community, but I'm a singer, I'm not an artist. And I said, you're a creative, and that's, you know, all the creatives in any form come together. That was what it's about. Even though I love the artistic side of things, of course, because that's my interest, I love hearing anybody expressing themselves in their creative way. So I just want to say, as we look at the finished version and I give you these close-ups, how much I appreciate you all and how much you mean to this journey. It's so encouraging to have collaboration of, you know, just a conversation or premiere or a video together with you guys. and you really do make a difference. So happy painting, happy creating, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye now.